Hello everyone, this is Ruchika Shrivastava from Croma Campus. Are you one of the many aspiring to become a data scientist? If you are really passionate enough to know in-depth detail about data science, then you must join the Data Science Certification Program from Croma Campus. By enrolling in our Data Science Certification Program, you will learn first, how to deal with vast volume of data by utilizing modern tools and techniques to find out unseen patterns. Second, derive meaningful information, make business decisions and utilizations of complex machine learning algorithms to develop predictive models. By the end of the Data Science Certification Program, you will know how to accumulate and manage data responsibly and ultimately utilize it to make more informed decisions. So don't delay further and kickstart your career in this direction with this newly demanded technology. Thank you.